Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to a very nice exponential problem. X raised to the power y equals to y raised to the power x, and here we need to find the value of this x and y. We need to find the value of x and y. So you can see in the left hand side x raised to the power y and right hand side is the y raised to the power x. So for this question, let me assume y equals to kx, where this k is constant Then let's put the value of y here in the given equation. X equals to y value is kx, and here is y, put the value of y, kx whole power x. After that, we know the rule of the exponent, and first of all see the rule. What rule apply here? A power m whole power n. If we have this rule, we are using according to this rule, power to power they will multiply a power mn. Or also we know that we will exchange this power. Suppose a raised to the power m whole power n, so we'll write also a raised to the power n whole power m. We will exchange this power, m here and n is here. So after this, first of all we are using this rule, but before using this rule we are applying square root both sides. Square root, taking square root, both sides. X raised to the power kx and kx whole power x, and this is the square root. After that, we know that this square root value is whole power 1 by 2. Everybody knows this concept. So x raised to the power kx is as it is, and we are using instead of this root whole power 1 by 2. Similarly, kx whole power x, and instead of this root we are using 1 by 2. Okay. After that, we know the rule of the law of exponent. A raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power m, and we will multiply the power to power. So similarly, same thing we are using here. Kx multiplied by 1 by 2. If kx multiplied by 1 by 2, so it is kx by 2. Same thing, kx, x multiplied by 1 by 2, it is kx whole power, x multiplied by 1 by 2 is x by 2. Okay. Now this x raised to the power, we are using this k inside and this x raised to the power x by 2 outside. We are using here which law? This one. A raised to the power m whole power n. We will exchange the power, n inside and m is the outside. Same thing, k is inside and x by 2 is the outside. So we will just use the power to power concept, and here kx whole power x by 2 is as it is. After that, we will remove this power. For removing this power, we will multiply by both sides. If we are removing this power, so we will how to remove this power? We will multiply just opposite reciprocal of this x by 2. X by 2 reciprocal is 2 by x. So we will multiply 2 by x. If you multiply in the left hand side, so it's necessary we will multiply also in right hand side power also. Okay. So this 2 cancel and x cancel. This 2 cancel and x cancel. So you can see in the left hand side x power k, and the right hand side is kx, only kx is remaining. Okay. So now we need to find the value of this x in terms of any constant number. So if we find the value of x in terms of k, so divide by both sides x by x. So this x and x cancel out, and in the left hand side x power k upon x, and here is only k is remaining. Okay, after that x power, we are using exponent law. Which law? A power m upon a power m is equal to a power m minus n. So it is k minus 1, its power is 1, which is equal to k. Okay, now this k minus 1, its power is k minus 1, and here is the k. So we are removing this power k minus 1. So we will multiply by 1 upon k minus 1 here and here also. This one is cancel out. So here is x is only x is remaining, and right hand side is k power 1 upon k minus 1. This is our answer. Now initially we will assume y equals to kx. You can see here we are assume initially y equals to kx. So just put the value of x is here, because we already got the value of x. So y equals to k, x value is k power 1 upon k minus 1. Now you can see this k power is 1 and this k power is, if the base are the same, we know the concept a power m into a power n. If the base are same, so power should be added according to law of exponent. So we are using here k power 1 plus 1 upon k minus 1. So k equals to, LCM is k minus 1, k minus 1 plus 1, 1 cancel out. So y value is k upon k power k raised to the power k upon k minus 1. This is our y value. Okay, so x and y will go, we will get the value x and y in terms of k. Okay, now we know that k is the constant here. So if you assume any constant number, let me suppose our k is 2. Okay, so x value is k equals to 1 upon k minus 1. So put the value of k, because k is the constant. So k is 2 upon 2 raised to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1, which is equal to 2. So this is x value. Similarly, y value is this. Put the value of k is 2 power 2 upon 2 minus 1. So 2 power 2 upon 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 2 power 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 1 equals to 2. So which is equals to 4. So this is the x value and y value if k is 2. Hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.